Tison versus Court of Appeals, GR number 121027, July 31, 1997. Theodora Guerrero died and left a parcel of land and an apartment. Theodora adjudicates the land to his husband Martin, who consequently sold it to Dora Domingo. The nephews and nieces of Theodora Guerrero seek to inherit by right of representation from the property disputed by presenting documentary evidence to prove filial relation. Issue: whether or not the evidence presented is hearsay evidence and is inadmissible. The evidence submitted does not conform to the rules of their admissibility. However, the same may be admitted by reason of private respondents' failure to interpose any timely objection thereto at the time they were being offered in evidence. It is elementary that an objection shall be made at the time when an alleged inadmissible document is offered in evidence. Otherwise, the objection shall be treated as waived, since the right to object is merely a privilege which the party may waive.